we are back with another video. But before we start today's video, I sincerely hope that you have liked our previous segment on our trip to Sri Lanka. In case you have missed, do not worry, we will be providing the link in this video. You can just click on the link and enjoy our previous videos and experience what we experienced in the beautiful country Sri Lanka. This video is going to be something different. We have received our very first investment to start off this YouTube channel, a tripod. Yes. So while we were making all the videos, we got several feedbacks that the video quality is not stable. So we thought of investing few bucks, and believe me guys, we have received this tripod from Amazon, and this is a really good one. So stay tuned. We would be providing you a complete unboxing as well as an honest review, because we have been using this tripod from few days now. So about our experience in these few days, we would be providing you the same. Guys, while we were looking out for different tripods, our primary motive was to get something which is not too costly but which will last long. And while we were doing the online research, we came across this amazing Amazon Basics tripod series. So without further ado, let me not take more time of yours, and let's go ahead and see how the packaging came from Amazon and how does this tripod looks. Guys, the Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod came into this cardboard box, and the bills are attached into the plastic cover, but the box itself was not within any plastic cover, and as you can see, the box or the tape on the box was also tampered at one place, but thankfully the tripod was not damaged because of it. Guys, the tripod came along with this beautiful bag. The quality of the bag looks really good. Also, it has an chain attached for the opening, and the chain is placed in such a comfortable position that you won't find any difficulty in pulling out the tripod or putting it back in. Also, the bag comes with this belt, which makes it really comfortable to carry it along anywhere. Guys, this tripod comes with anti-flip rubber feet, which provides more stability, and it helps the tripod to stand at any surface and it will not skid. Along with that, as you can see, it has a handle, so even if you are not carrying the bag provided, it is really easy to carry the tripod along with you. Friends, the tripod comes with two levers. The one provided at the top helps to rotate the camera at any angle. The second lever, which is just below the first one, helps the tripod gain some more height through its neck. Guys, if you rotate it clockwise, it would go up, and in a similar manner, if you rotate it anti-clockwise, the neck would come down. Guys, there is a mounting lid provided just below the mounting plate, which helps ensuring the fast transitions between shots. It also has the quick release mounting plate, which makes it really easy to attach or detach your camera or your smartphone from the tripod. There are two built-in bubble view levels and three-way head to allow for tilt and swivel motion in portrait or landscape options. Now as you can see, the tripod has a metallic finish, and believe me guys, it's really good. The quality, we are really happy what came to us. The height of the tripod varies from 4 inches to 16 inches. Thus, you can easily shoot a toddler or an adult within 60 inches of height very easily. It can support any cameras up to 6.6 pounds. If you want to support your mobile, you just need to buy a mobile holder and you can place it on top. Friends, it's a lightweight tripod with adjustable height, legs and rubber feet, and as per our experience for the last few days, it is quite sturdy as well. So just go for it. It is going to be a good investment and it will last long as well. Another thing to note is that this particular tripod is compatible with most of the video cameras and obviously with the smartphones as well. Friends, if you really like the video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to our channel Crazy Audiophiles and switch on the notification bell icon so that the next time we are on, you get to know about it. Also, let us know in the comment section if you have bought the tripod and about your experience.